Chapter 55. How I became an international superstar. I was given an opportunity to perform at Just for Laughs comedy festival in Montreal. So eventually I got an opportunity to perform at that festival in Montreal through Dev. Then I needed a passport for that. So Dev gave me an address of a government office where I could get a passport. So Dave was a guy who first introduced me to passport. Before that, I didn't knew that a passport existed to go from one country to another country. So there is a important memory when I was standing in the line for passport. Standing in line for passport, I was amazed by what my life what my life had become. A day ago, I didn't even know this thing called passport existed. My life was changing rapidly. Day before, I didn't even knew that passport existed. So, and now in one day, I'm so changed. So it made me think that my life is now changing rapidly. Then after one of my warm up shows in Just for Laughs, so I was selected for Just for Laughs. So it was a big show. After one of my warm up shows in Just for Laugh, Dean pulled me aside. He said, "Kevin, you are doing great, but slow down a bit. Make sure everyone understands you." He said my shows were going great, but you need to slow down a bit. That means you have to just calm down and make sure everyone understands you. So uh, this show was internationally been viewed or been was it was popular internationally. So it was not just about English, but it was about uh, the speed of my dialogue delivery or speech delivery. So it was my speed of talk of speech that was something I need to work on. So I worked on it. So the dean of that show, suggested me to slow down a bit and make sure everyone understands you. That means everyone is aware of what you are saying. You have to make sure that. Then things were going well. I was performing well. Things were going well in show. After sudden of my sets, I realized that everyone is following me, everyone is cheering my name, Kevin Hart. But one day I received a call from Jason. So Jason was my friend, who was also participating in that competition, Just for Love competition. He was also performing with me. So I got a call from Jason. He said he got selected for Saturday Night Live. So it made me amazed, and it made me speechless that if he is getting selected, that means I am rejected. So his selection meant rejection for me, and it was a big heartbreak. It was a after becoming a international. I thought myself as an international superstar at that moment, and it was a big heartbreaking thing for me. So it was a overall sad experience about SNL Live and just for love gags. So it was a heartbreaking and sad experience, I can say.